Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is continuation of strategy called open high, open low with previous day high, previous day low. Now, if you notice over here, if I just switch off this indicator, the first candle of the day tells us actually how the day will be. So let me teach you the logic of open high, open low. If open is equal to high, or if open is equal to low, then what happens? When open is equal to high, mostly markets fall. And if open is equal to low, mostly markets rise. Now let's see this and try to understand how it works. So this is the rule of the strategy. So the first candle open and first candle high. The first candle's open and first candle low has to be seen. Now let's see today how it happened. I will enable the section breaks so that we can see day by day. So this is our first candle of the day. And if you see, the open is 42263. So I will mention over here, open is equal to 42263. Okay. Now let's see the high. Where do you see the open and high? Over here, where my mouse is moving right now. It says open, high, low, and close with volume. So again, I put my candle over here and it says open is equal to 42263, which we have written. Now let's see the high, 42267. So the high is equal to 42267. Now these numbers are exactly not same, but plus or minus 10 to 20 points. So I'm writing over here, deviation of 10 to 20 points is acceptable. Means if these two numbers, the last two numbers, the 6.3 and 6.7, if the difference between them is between 10 to 20 points, this strategy will work. We'll see many cases like this. Now, do you agree over here, the open and high are in the deviation of 10 points? And if you see, the market has fallen. Let's see some other days. This is the candle for 11 Jan. And if you see, the open and high are same. Okay. But do we see open and low being same? No. Did the markets go up? So here it did not work. So I'll write over here, open equal to high did not work. Let's see another day. Open is equal to 42674 and high is equal to 42674. So we can write over here, open equal to high worked. Let's see another day. Open is equal to 42427 and high is again 42427. But is the low nearby in the range? Yes. So did open equal to high worked? No. But did open equal to low worked? Yes. So open equal to low worked. Now you might be thinking, is the deviation really the way it is? See, 427 is the open and 239 is the low. 427 is the open and low is 239. So open equal to low actually did not work. So my mistake, I'll mention over here, open equal to low or high did not work because there was no open or high in the deviation points. Let's see another day. 597 and 685. 597 and 523. No open high, no open low matching points. Let's see over here. 43094 and 43120. No match. But 43094 and 43001 open equal to low could have been worked in. So what we'll say, open equal to low did not work again. Let's see this. 464, 525, 404. No signal, it did not work. Let's see another day. 184, 341, 148. Open equal to low. If you see, open is equal to low. So did it work? Yes, the market only went up that day. So we'll say open equal to low worked. Let's take another day. Sorry guys, just got a call. Where were we? We were on this one. 079 151 025. So it did not match. No signal. Let's see this one. 412, 422, 4, and then we have 244. So did open and high come in a range of 10 to 20 points? The answer is yes. So open equal to high worked. Let's see over here. The market rallied. Open is 678. High is 711. And low is 583. No signal, but the market still rallied. Let's see over here. 754, 880, 694. No signal, no deviation. Let's see this one. 829, 876, 721. Do we see a deviation over here? Yes, a very huge deviation. So we will not say that open high or open low signals would work on the first scan. Let's take another day. Open equal to 720, high equal to 824, low equal to 569. No signal, but markets had to rally for a different reason. Let's take this day. No deviation, no signal. Let's take another day. 889, 933, 740. No signal, no indication. Over here, 556, 604, 512. No signal, no deviation. So if you notice very carefully, open high, open low does not happen every day. But let me give you a pro tip. If you will see these numbers, okay, again on Zerodha, they might come as different. So as a tip, every morning, also check your broker's accounts, open high and open low in the morning first candle. You might see a signal coming there. If that is the signal, you can go for your trade. So this is a very simple strategy for beginners, and normally everybody in the morning looks for this. If it is there, people do take a trade with a stop loss. So hope this knowledge series is helping you. I've just given you an indication on open high, open low, previous day high, and previous day low. So that's it from my side. If you like this, please like, share, and comment. Do tell me if there is any other strategy you want me to teach or show you how it works. Thank you so much. Have a good day.